Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwonju media so dia wo kansi ho sempa en sa kana no pensu jawo medin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekono quantum coordinates mawdo en sa kana no pensu biu e wo Ghana agudie 8 jawo shando so ma se nwumaku makoma best miensa o madama o mna techira bo me di dwumedie kese 8 jawo yedi kan pa ne 1xbet have always told you that betting there is better than Sakawa and into 1xbet which had before didn't before trying to come bia within kuma san manum ka kire busuanfo na fofo yere ma ofase for na mukrumu eno mpnafo na se 1xbet no ana nanu ada boys edege omo financial freedom de hujima ebetia aboa emaniama etia tutu ye ede amount said more gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel fi wapampa so be pem onase ne do ba ko ebetia 2 ya pain efi ho no said more gel and roll on okwa shaman me market ansa betia kemna fitema so enye na ho kra bomodin ada obetia from 0208219129 na on sedimo gel and roll on yenhwetwe nkomo yenhwemwa emaniama 822 ye enfamao jefas mixture edutetahwi infections edu gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so dey po natural on setimi kan jefas no so betia boa emaniama 822 ye de mabomodin ada se odwoni ebetia sa chirim na watimi akopɛ jefas mixture bi ato eno so beboa emapomodon sem agina pintin ewradim wemu ene sponsors tutu tuni twitwi tweda no penso mo techira boa ema yede awo kensi won sempa en sakena no penso etimi ejao a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with the very first step pensha se MFF the Black Meteors of Ghana national under 23 team no the Olympic team no womo ediomani etian sa kire eye Olympic team akensi kese no so etian sa tudwa we under 23 African Cup of Nations emrante edi mfiedu no miensa no womo enso akensi a etian sa to fam Ghana born first game yetimi echire bobre e wasa akensi kese ma ye chi kongufo etwam 3-2 e wasa akensi no boni akoma hwese na akensi no esikoso Tanku and the head coach Adom the Black Meteors of Ghana after say record 3-2 victory over Congolese counterparts no and this ankomo 8 minutes ajaye but the yankum e Ghana Football Association for kache aka less than best 3 months now hwese na mesitia na say omutimi ehwe na e dey about 20 times so na Ket Edwin Simon Okraku on the FA president a ene otiegwa so a wo hwe nim se kwan bias no obetimi asiki for re-election Nesa manfo de onkukumoti betintim krata so asanto aba e de ma ne biu na obi anim se obekọ no kwanten kro na sentem mpemfo bi etia san twetwumuti a omohwe anim se nyame adoma wo mu ebetimi abegina efe abato no na ura George Akwesi afi amanfo beka ni a enkan Akwesi antachi impenso no na o vice president of the Ghana Football Association na nanu adanso yeto aba na yiket ne ko no so itime san gina mu bia yanto anwi kra ana konsidi a yetimi ede abato no emunkunidie no ema Ket Edwin Simon Okraku Enura Akwesi da esan se George Akwesi afi Akwesi da ni abrantinti no wode nkomo agya se nyame adoma ka chi wiase afana nyina ne Ghana 42 pa ene football for se obegina eye afi abato no e Ghana Football Association for akache President of the Ghana Football Association George Akwesi afi and we declared intentions to contest the GFA elections 2023 Tiberese na nkomo no ABC akọ ne se na agro no ABC akọ ewo dwumadi nim Yenfa ni nkyere Ghana Football Awards na Mohammed Kudus ana wini Footballer of the Year.
Bro Awards afidie no abawie a enra Accra International Conference Center omo dibo na chi no kopie mu e ho no mo na nya agro ekowi ase no na overall best player of the year omo de ama player osi academy yas apopoku no Netherlands Kudus Mohammed yede na chede abafu no
This is a collective award. It goes to me and all my teammates and all my family. Thank you. And to finish it, I would like to use this opportunity to congratulate Billy on his retirement. He's been a big inspiration to me, all my guys over here, and I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
The Women's Footballer of the Year, Blessing Agbomazi, Osiaka of Morocco, Onoje, Best African International Footballer of the Year. Napoli Abrantier Victor Osimhen or fire home base footballer of the year no Samson Eduku Osiakan de Matamale City Onojikovi na coach of the year Ivan Sadote aye trene Edima Mediema Onyaye na CEO of the year no Moses Amapaka ye ono wo Mediema ena oje boss wa esansa ne nansen na samoja na yota yenti obepia dwumadie na so no omobo na baso a ode ne nsem so kakra atujwa.
Everything is over. and we're looking forward to do more for Ghana. We're not out of football, although I've officially retired, but we make sure we give back as we normally do, as we started from day one. So I'd like to thank my colleagues. I've got one colleague here, John Pence, an amazing guy, Tornado up here, and yeah, you can see the young generation coming there. Kudos, I can see you guys. It's time to pave way for the young ones, and we'll make sure we support them behind the scene. There are a lot of fans here, there are a lot of football coaches in Ghana. But what else can I say? I would like to say thank you so much for supporting me throughout these years. Thank you.
The Ghana Football Awards ana ohwese na nkomo no esi ekwe kaka ne apone dia ma no yame adoma e be sande nkomo aka wa chene tua saba but yenkomu All Stars Festival 2023 na the BAC group Dr. NS Cranton edano no ana omode sanche sunkui etua satin tam so afidi ende ekupie mu bono ahafo region na ode woni chirima na doma hene atan doma henkro aduan Stars for Sports Stadium so ana Sakins kesen etua satodwa boni akoma na hwese na kwantu no esi koye doma henkro. All Stars Festival 2023 Dr. NS Cranton edano no jumedia omutwe kudi odoma henkro no eno ne yapone kakra ede aba nyame adom na se senya biribiu a yaka wachiri ane doso medu besia na madawase ama moni hwe medin de profiki wala sagudi catch back open na mede evidence based presentation it mejawo rade entene ni manya okese yife bi ne da so ni na onfa nko be bi ne da so the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.